Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making smoky Nigerian jollof rice with fried chicken and some sumptuous plantain. Let's get the show on the road once again. I got my chicken. I'm about to steam it. Now I got my pepper steamed. Putting the pepper in the blender. I'm blending it until it's smooth and silky. My chicken is ready, guys. Now it's time to fry your chicken. Crispy, golden, brown. So guys, whatever you do in life, always give 100%. Unless you are donating blood. How? Yeah. Let's go. Today is a good day to try and try again. Never give up, never surrender. As a matter of fact, be like a postage stamp. Stick to one thing until you get there. Yeah. So now we're about to start cooking and lay the foundation for the jollof rice. I have my onions, frying gently in the vegetable oil. Now I'm adding my ginger and garlic. Let that fry until the onions are translucent. Then you go in with your curry, your thyme. I'm mixing my bay leaf, but let that saute and fry together for a few minutes. Then you go in with your tomato paste. You go in with your tomato paste and let that fry. Never say no. Never say never. Yeah, I got my salt and seasoning. Always no seasoning cube. That's what I like. That's what I use. And it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Give that a little stir. Wave in your mind. Wave in your mind. Going with your blended pepper. This is how we do. This is how we do. You mix together and let it cook. Then you go in with your chicken stock. Then you go in with your chicken stock. Then we're going with our rice. Never ever trust anyone 100%. Always leave room for the human factor. Oh, yeah. Here, we're adding some extra onions. After steaming the rice for a while, you can feel that the water is almost, totally dry. Go with your onions and your tomatoes, fresh cut tomatoes. Put in some butter. You add. Then you go in with your foil. You cover and let it steam. The foil brings out the smokiness. It traps all the air inside the rice and it makes it cook, steamed to perfection. You allow that to steam for a couple of minutes. And this is what we have. Smoky, fragrant Nigerian jollof rice. Guys, I can't describe the aroma right now. You mix the rice together. You need to do that. The smoky parts at the bottom, you bring it to the top. You mix it so that the smokiness can penetrate and go through the entire pot of rice. Cover with your foil. Let it smoke for a few minutes and your rice is ready. Smoky jollof rice. Perfect. Yeah, the final product, our quality control officer. That's it, guys, for this week. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Food Adventure. Good double.